Keeping it basic and using a lot of the preset camera stuff is your best friend. And if you're like, I don't want to be bothered with that, that's fine too, because a cool feature that 3D models have, last tip, you can actually activate the rulers. I'm going to show this. Here we are. With the 3D models, they actually have a ruler feature. Let me hide it. You see no ruler. If you go ahead and show it, there is a ruler. And what you can do, if you're the type of person who likes to manually draw your characters, but you need the perspective, but you have a hard time setting the perspective rulers to match, you know, the perspective that you want, the 3D models have a snap to ruler feature, and I could just draw directly into, on a new layer, of course, into the same perspective of the 3D model character. And say I don't want that background, I don't specifically want that 3D model background, I can just create my own using that perspective ruler.